Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 16th, 2020. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1's. So let's get started. Alright. I see here double one. Here an O and there an O. A double one here an O and there an O. Between two ones comes an O. And look, we have 4 O's in this second row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double one here an O, there an O, and then between two O's comes an 1, between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. We have a double one here an O, there an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. And then double O here and 1, there and 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. We have double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare. Yes. I need to compare because 10. I need to compare the columns because the rows I have checked, so double 1 here. Oh, this is different. Oh, this is also different. How about this 101? Do we have 101? 1? No. Hey, very strange. Alright. 1 2 3 4. Stupid. So the rest are ones. Now we have between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, stupid. Could be faster because I have not count the O's in the row or in the column. Anyway, I have finished this in 4 minutes. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again, and in a minute I will continue with the last Sudoku in this additional. That shall be a tectonic, I think. Yes. So see you later and bye bye for now.